welcome back to Snoring! If you didn't see the last episode, I actually wasn't meant to play this. I was going to play Papa's Cheeseria. But then it wasn't working because it wasn't loading, so I found this. And I'm going to go from where we were, that was this level right here. And I couldn't do it because the pig kept on dying. It was really upsetting me. If you just go watch the video. No, Peggy! No. Phew. No! Come on. Oh! Deeper. Let me down, man. Yes! I did it. Circus music is back, man! Yeah! Okay. Pig, zebra, owl. Zebra, owl. Nope. That didn't work. Okay. Owl, zebra, owl. Did I hit him? Nothing happened. What? He just sat there. But he's awake. Okay. That was weird. I could have just stood there and listened to the music all day. And I missed. Wow, that was very good. Boing. 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 That didn't work so well. Yeah, that didn't go too well. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I've done it. Oops.